Okay, now let's run this def for all of the function we have, all of the course we have. Okay, let's go to our score file. We have, let me just copy it and paste it down here and see what happened. Okay, this gives us the charts, but this is not the thing I want. Just that here, how many cores we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paste, 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 paste. Okay, at first is mathematics. Second is science. The third is English. The 4 is history. The 5 is social studies. And the end is French. Okay, now let's run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Okay. This is something so dirty and I don't really like it. How we can do it better? This is some kind of thing to see all the charts here, but I don't really like it. It's so dirty and not clean and I don't like it. How we do it? We create for x in range 5, I think 5. Print x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For x in range 6. Okay, then what we should do, we should create a list. Let's create a list here and append all the names, not in this format here. Okay, we make it better in the English, science and mathematics, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We forget French. Okay, let's wait until I fix them. We are done. For x in range 6, what it do? We create a list, call for example quef list, diff list for example, and we make it empty. For now, what we do, we say just what to do. For x in range 6, a and b and r2 and x, they are equal to, what is our def? We copy that and put it here. And for mathematics, what we write? We write list x, and then let me delete this list and say a, list a, then list b, then list r2, then list x, list a dot append okay, now we can use append list a dot append A list B dot append B list R2 dot append R2 list X dot append X. Oh, sorry, this is list X. Now you can see all the charts and all the coefficient has appended to the list. This is the end of this lesson, and we will do something more crazy in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe.